Hi, I'm Katie with SHEFIT, and this is a moment of calm. Here at SHEFIT, we are all about support. So we've created 12 episodes of yoga and tips on how to break and find that little moment of calm in your day. Today, we're just going to keep building on the previous episodes and work with Vitality. So come into your supported stance. Feet hip-width distance apart. Engage your thighs. Create more support in your belly and your core. Lift your shoulders up, back, and down. Palms face forward. Breathe here. Lift your arms up, inhale. Bow, exhale. Halfway lift. Bow forward. Rise up, reach big. Take chair pose, just like we did last time. Stay here, get a big breath. Blow all of it out. Good work. Take one more, reach up, look up. Bow forward. Halfway, lift and lengthen your spine. High plank. Remember, knees can be up or down here. Inhale, cruise forward a little bit, lower. Up dog, downward facing duck. Breathe in, breathe out. Lift your right leg up in the air. Crescent lunge, bring it forward. Keep your back heel lifted, arms up. It's okay if you wobble. Breathe out. Take another breath. There's always an option to drop your back knee. Good, one more, go back. High plank. Inhale, support in your belly. Chaturanga. Up dog. Downward facing dog. Lift your left leg up in the air. Crescent lunge. Ground through your front heel, push all the way up. Stay here and breathe. Inhale, reach, lift up out of your waist. Blow that out. One more. High plank. Breathe in, come forward. Chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Keep breathing in your down dog. Good. Lift your heels up. Bend your knees, look forward. Hop or step. Halfway lift a flat back. Bow. Rise, reach up, get big here. Chair. Inhale, hands to your heart. Take another breath, twist to the right. You're gonna hook your left elbow to your right thigh, or there's an option to take an open arm twist. Breathe in, take any weight out of your toes, so shift back more towards your heels. Perfect, another breath. Challenge yourself to go a little bit lower. One more, bow forward. Halfway lift and lengthen, bow. Rise up, stretch up. Chair. Take a breath, find that support in your belly, hands to your heart. Good job. Inhale, twist to the left. So you can take the variation where your elbow's hooked, or you can open your arms. Keep creating that strength, that support in your belly to propel the twist to happen. So breathe in, get a little longer, pull forward. Yes, exhale, belly in and twist. Nicely done. One more breath. Bow forward. Separate your feet about hips width distance. Take your first two, your peace sign fingers, hook onto your big toes. Yeah, and then bend your knees enough here so that your chest can rest on your thighs. So you find that support, right? Like you're supporting yourself on your thighs. Let your head go side to side. We're balancing out all that effort with a little bit of ease, a little moment of calm here. If it's accessible for you, just start to straighten your legs, but don't tense in your neck. Awesome job. Take one more breath. Release, bow forward. Halfway lifts, high plank, step it back. Inhale, shift forward, chaturanga. Upward facing dog, downward facing dog. Lift your right leg, we're gonna put it all together. Crescent lunge. Breathe in, come up, hands to your heart. So breathe here in your crescent. There's a couple of options. We're gonna twist. You can open your arms. You can also drop your back knee. Take one more breath. Twist to the right. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in. Find that support of your belly. Another breath. Get it all out. Last one. High plank. Breathe in, recenter. Chaturanga. Upward facing dog, take your time. Downward facing dog. Lift your left leg up. Crescent lunge, bring it forward. Steady, solid, come up. Hands to your heart. Remember, there's options. There's always options. Take a breath in. Twist to the left. Fill up. Find that support in your belly. Take another breath. Recommit to your back leg. Fire it up. Good. Inhale. Big, big exhale. Two more. Get it out. Last one. High plank. Inhale. Chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. One more big breath. Come down to your knees. And just notice your space now. Every passing minute is another chance to turn it all around. So if you're having a day, come back to these videos, find a moment of calm. Bring your hands together in front of your heart. My awesome honors your awesome. In support of each other, together we say, Namaste. Thanks for watching. I'm Katie with SHEFIT, and this has been A Moment of Calm.